If you have been successfully practicing with your vacuum therapy system and have been continuing to build erections suitable for intercourse, that it lifts off the base of the cylinder, and you're ready to employ the tension rings, I want to focus on where to start, how to progress so that you find the right tension ring for you. You don't want to use more than you need, and you certainly will understand if you don't have enough. So I want to talk about the Osbon Erecaid tension rings that come automatically with the system that you order, and how to progress through that from A, B, C, and D, and how to make that transition. Elsewhere on the site, and I'll link to those here, there are videos that show you how to load the tension rings on, but I want to make sure you find the one that is perfect for you. So let's look at that. What you see here are the 4 tension rings that come automatically with your Osbon Erecaid vacuum therapy system. Whether it's the manual or the automatic, these 4 will come with it, and really trying to help you find the one that works best for you. So you can see here that each one of these is marked with a letter in the top. This is a B, so it starts here at A. This is the least amount of resistance that you'll get. B is the next level of resistance, C, and then D is the most resistance that you'll get. You can see that's a little bit smaller there and a little tighter constriction. So you want to find the one that works for you. Don't use more than you need, and certainly you'll be able to determine whether you're using less than you need. So if you look in the user guide that comes with your device, you'll see that you start with A, and if that's not enough, you want to experiment with this. If that's not enough to sustain an erection, then instead of A, go to B the next time. And if B is not enough, then go to C and then D. And then you'll also see that there is a pressure point tension ring level, that if you go to the D and that's not enough, then you want to double up and maybe go with A and B. This is in the user guide. And if that doesn't work, you want to go with B and D together, combine those, load those both on the device at the same time, slide those onto the base of the penis at the same time, and then adjust those onto the base of the penis. And if that's not enough, then you go to C and D combined together. So it looks overwhelming. It is something that you want to experiment before the heat of the moment, before you need it, in that practice stage of getting used to the device. And we're here to help. Education@timmedical.com. Remember, when you're done, you want to slide off the penis. Never leave this on the penis for more than 30 minutes. So you can see for every individual, it's a personal choice, but you got to find the one that works for you. Don't use more than you need. Don't use less than you need. And always remember, never wear these tension rings for longer than 30 minutes. We've got to exchange that blood, get some more oxygen-rich blood into the penis. So never more than 30 minutes. And always use the water-based lubricant that comes with the device. And if you need more, you can order it at timmedical.com. But just wish you success. If you have questions, you can email us at education@timmedical.com or call the number at the website, and we'll help answer any questions that you might have.